The weather's crap and you know, it's Monday. I mean, it's just that Monday-itis feeling. Well, it doesn't take me long to get dirty. About 5 minutes actually. This side. See if it does shape from this side. Yep. That one's got to go back to salvia there. Yep. Good. Now we'll do the one right down the other end. Just have to get some more fuel first. It's quite amazing that one. Anyway, now we've got to work on this other daisy bush. Try and get it looking a bit better. A bit out of shape now. basically had to shrink that one down to size. Yeah, that looks better now. There's room on each side. Keep that in there for mulch. Weeds down a bit. Cool. Now I'll go get the blower. There it is. And I've got to get lucky I parked there. So I've just got to load her up to there. That should be alright. There. Load it up there. Load it up into 3 buckets. And there I'm going to whip a simple. There we go. She's all tidied up and in there. Look at these, oh, look at them all down there. Oh, yeah, there's a river down there, I see. No wonder they're all coming up the hill and down there. Anyway, that looks better. Wind her up. This video, right, I don't know why people buy those skip bins myself, because I just picked up in more than a skip bin would be from down a hill. I walked up the hill with it, put it into my trailer for 200 bucks. And a skip bin costs 299 bucks, and you got to put the rubbish in there yourself. So like, what in the world? Why would you pay 300 bucks when you can just get a gardener like me with a trailer? Well, it'd have to be a big trailer like mine, but I mean, that's the thing, isn't it? I only charge 200 bucks. It's cheaper to get a gardener than it is to do it yourself. And plus, I take it away straight away. You don't have to wait for. You don't have to wait for someone to come back and pick up the skip bin. Anyway, now I'm off to the tip with it. Right, well, I'm quite a lot of jobs down now. I've actually lost count for the day. But all I know is I've got one left. And I've got a feeling I'll be doing a big hedge. So, I'm hoping it isn't. But it more than likely would be, seeing I haven't done it in about 6 to 8 weeks. But, yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it today. Feeling the pain all over the body, it being a Monday. I've had too much rest yesterday, that's all I can say. Too much rest, not good. Makes you go weak. get to it.